Septic tank soakaway crates are the future of soakaway products. Not only are they really easy to install, but they're also fully compliant with UK building regs. And so it's no wonder then that septic tank soakaway crates are the best-selling soakaway product in the UK today. So, how do you install septic tank soakaway crates? Well, it's really easy. Simply dig a hole and then put the septic tank and the silt chamber into the hole, connecting them together. Once you've done that, all you need to do is then lay down the membrane that comes free with the septic tank soakaway crates. Once you've done that, just start laying the individual soakaway crates on top of the membrane. They simply just clip together, and the clips are also supplied free with the soakaway crates. Now these crates, as I said, are designed for the DIY market and they're really easy to put in. Typically, the crates will take 1 to 2 hours to install. Once you've put the crates in, simply cover them then with the membrane and then just cover the membrane with the topsoil. Job done. So, how do septic tank soakaway crates work? Well, these crates have been designed by German scientists and it's very clever how they work. Basically, septic tank soakaway crates create a cavity inside the membrane, and this cavity allows the sewage effluent to flow into it. Now the crates and the membrane then slowly release the treated effluent into the surrounding topsoil, and from there it then just naturally drains away into the ground. Very clever indeed. For more information, just click the link below this video or visit septictank.co.uk for free help and advice.